Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Hyte Y70 non-touch dual chamber mid-tower chassis. This chassis looks absolutely stunning with a 3-piece panoramic glass and a massive 4-slot vertical graphics design. The glass panels are really easy to remove, no screws needed, and it comes with a luxury color-coded PCI 4x16 riser cable ready to mount your graphics card. There's plenty of room inside the chassis, and you can mount up to two 360mm radiators, one on the top and one on the side here. You can also mount 3 extra fans for cooling, which helps with the graphics card as well. Let's take a closer look at the chassis and see what the Y70 has to offer. The Hyte Y70 is larger than the original Y60, measuring 470 by 320 by 470mm. It has a total volume around about 70 litres, hence the name Y70. The front tempered glass panel is easy to remove, giving you access to a ginormous interior. Everything is nicely packaged and protected to reduce damage when handling the case. The top and side panels are screwless and can be easily removed. Just pull, lift up the panels and you're ready to go. You can mount and install up to two 360mm radiator, one on the top of the chassis and the other one on the side of the chassis. The floor of the case can house up to 3 120mm or 240mm fans, and this allows direct airflow straight onto the GPU. The accessories include a bag of cable ties and screws, a set of 4 Velcro straps for cable management, an audio splitter cable, and 3 cable clips. There are 2 easy access mounting brackets for 3.5-inch hard drives. Internal cables include HD audio, a front panel connector, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type E, and the usual USB 3. The case comes with a total of 4 rubber hoods for feeding your power cables, which is a nice touch. There's plenty of room for a large ATX power supply too. And here is where you mount the 360mm radiator on the side. You'll also find 3 pre-installed Velcro straps for easy cable management at the bottom of the case, which is a nice added bonus. The front panel includes 1 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, 1 power switch and 1 headphone audio jack. The case includes a luxury color-coded PCI 4x16 riser cable, and there's plenty of room to mount a 4-slot vertical graphics card with a maximum length of 422mm. The Hyte Y70 is a stunning looking chassis with a 3-piece panoramic glass, giving it a unique look and allow users to show off every detail of all the hardware inside your PC. Alright, so you now know what this chassis has to offer. Now let's build the system and see how it goes. See you in a bit. Alright, so we just completed the build. Here we have the Hyte Y70 chassis, non-touch, and inside we have the Asus Z790 Strix motherboard, and is powered by an Intel Core i9 1400K processor. It also has the Patriot Viper Extreme 5 DDR5 8200 48GB kit, and 2 terabytes of the Lexar NM800 PCIe 4 Gen 4 SSD. And for the graphics card, we have a massive GeForce RTX 4080 Super from Gigabyte, and you can see there's plenty of room inside the chassis to fit a very large graphics card vertically. And for cooling, we have the Thermaltake TH360 all-in-one cooler. We also have 3 120mm cooling fans at the top and 2 140mm fans at the bottom here to blow the air up. Alright, so let's power this up and see how it looks. Wow. I love the 3-piece panoramic glass that allows you to show off all your components inside your PC. So this is the Hyte Y70 non-touch dual chamber mid-tower chassis. A fantastic looking chassis with a 3-piece panoramic glass, and it will allow you to show off all your components inside your PC. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.